Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are showing insulation continuity tester. It is also called megger. So it is using for compressor grounding and continuity testing, and it will be using for compress in case compressor grounded in we are checking in insulation continuity tester. It's called also megger. So sometimes we are finding the clam meter that is sometimes not showing properly. So in case we are using this one method. So this is the three voltages there. One is the 250, 500 voltage and 1000 voltage. We are checking in compressor. So then there is one off system also there. Then another one is continuity system and autonal. Autonal means sometimes it will be automatically we are showing in case ground in the compressor it is showing automatically. It is called autonal. And there is a two one is line and another one is earth. And there is also two props in there. So in this tester, so this is two props up there. So and then how to working in this video we are showing. There is first of all we are checking in 230 voltage or 500 voltage and 1000 voltage. Press the to start. This is the insulation tester. So it is having two props also. This is using for battery system. So hope it will be understand you. Thank you for the watching in this video.